Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we will grow avocado plant from store-bought avocados. They're super easy to grow from their seed, and avocados are packed with lots many nutrients and vitamins. It is considered as a superfood. I'll grow them from seed in soil and I'll show you the entire process with results. So to start with, you need to take a store-bought avocado, take out its seed gently without damaging it. Wash it properly and it's ready to be sown. Now prepare its potting mix using garden soil, coco peat and compost. However, you can sow them in garden soil also. Mixing coco peat and compost is totally optional. Just make sure you don't sow the seed too deep into the soil. And once you are done with sowing the seed, you can keep it in full sunlight or in partial shade anywhere. And within 10 days, you will see the seed sprouting. And your pot will look something like this. And few true leaves will appear within 2 weeks. And the plant will look something like this. And this is how your plant will look in about 4 weeks. Avocados are one of the most nutritious fruits loaded with good monosaturated oils that helps in lubricating joints and lowers the blood pressure as well. Also, it improves eyesight, boosts fertility and improves digestion. Avocados are rich in vitamin K, vitamin E, C, B5, B6 and B3. They have potassium, folate, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc and other minerals as well. Overall, a superfood packed with lots of health benefits. So this is our plant after 2 months. You can see the foliage has grown so nicely, the leaves are so big and plant looks pretty healthy. And at this stage, this is very much ready to be repotted in a bigger size pot or container, or you can grow them in your garden directly. Just make sure if you're growing them in your garden, put this plant somewhere under a big tree so that it doesn't get direct harsh sunlight. If you're growing in containers, bigger size pots, make sure you put them in partial shade. So that's it for today. I hope you find the video helpful, and next time when you'll buy avocado fruit, you won't throw its seeds. Instead, you'll grow a plant for yourself. And if you like the video, don't forget to click on the like button and share it with others. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, do let me know in comment section. I'll see you soon. Bye.